Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. We are about to enter a new Halloween season. Are you interested in creating unique and eye-catching Halloween mockups for your projects? However, creating unique mockups often requires a significant amount of time, effort, and resources, which can be exhausting and discouraging. But don't worry, we have a solution for you. First, open your web browser and go to gravitywrite.com, a platform that allows you to create prompts easily. If you are a registered user, please log in. If not, sign up for a free account on the website. After logging in, you'll be greeted with the user-friendly interface of GravityWrite. Find image prompts, where you will have two options: AI art and logo design ideas. Next, enter your keyword, for example, unique mockups for Halloween. I recommend providing as much detail as possible for the desired results. Then, choose an art style and click Create Content. Once you have your prompts, the next step is to take those intriguing prompts and turn them into impressive designs. Now, let's visit the website ideogram.ai. Register using your Google account, agree to the terms and policies, and proceed. Next, choose your screen name and click Complete Registration. Once you've accessed the website, paste the prompt text into the provided text box. Choose your style, select the frame ratio, and click Generate. Okay, choose a design template that suits your taste, or customize it according to your preferences by selecting Remix. You can still add text to your project like this example. When you're satisfied with your design, simply press the download button to save it to your device. Now, you can use this design in your social media posts, Halloween projects, or even print it as a poster. The possibilities are endless. With ideogram.ai, you can freely experiment with colors, fonts, and many other elements to create the most unique Halloween mockups according to your preferences. Let your creativity shine. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to share this video with your friends and family so they can also easily create fantastic Halloween mockups. Let's spread creativity and invite everyone to join in the Halloween fun. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more exciting and creative content. Have a joyful and creative Halloween.